Hey everyone, it's Dr. Shalini Gupta at the Dermatology Laser and Vein Center, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Clear and Brilliant procedure. This is a really great procedure that kind of takes care of a lot of different skin concerns. So it helps with fine lines, it helps with pore size, it helps with skin texture improvement. It also helps with melasma and pigment problems, and of course we can use this anywhere on the body. The most commonly requested areas to treat are the face, neck, chest, and tops of hands. It is also called a baby Fraxel procedure because it works similar to a Fraxel laser, whereby it creates an injury to tiny dots throughout the skin, and in that manner treating a fraction of your skin with each treatment. However, it does not penetrate as deep as the traditional Fraxel laser, so you get little tiny shallow areas of skin damage, skin injury that is controlled, and then it allows for controlled wound healing effect, which helps to stimulate new collagen fibers, new elastin fibers, hyaluronic acid, and it also helps to get rid of and help you shed some of that extra pigment in your skin. It is safe on patients of all skin colors and skin types, and it's just a great technology. You really don't even need numbing medicine on your skin prior to the Clear and Brilliant procedure, but of course if you request it, we can do that. So once your face is cleaned, essentially we can roll the Clear and Brilliant handpiece over your skin. It just kind of rolls along, very similar to the Fraxel laser. It's actually manufactured by the same company, but again, this is the baby Fraxel, so not your more intense Fraxel that has a bit more recovery time. After this procedure, you might have just kind of a pinkish glow, very mild swelling, and you will go through a bit of that grittiness afterwards where the little dots of skin that have been treated are going to exfoliate, but it's not as intense again as the Fraxel laser. And you can wear makeup immediately after these procedures. We recommend that you wear sunscreen to protect yourself and use skin products that make sense for you, that are going to help stimulate collagen, that act as antioxidants and quench free radicals on your skin, provide you growth factors to help you nourish and encourage those elastin fibers and collagen fibers to form, and just take good care of yourself. You do want to do several treatments of the Clear and Brilliant to get the best results. The procedure has two different handpieces. So there is the traditional Clear and Brilliant handpiece, which penetrates just slightly deeper, and this is the one we use most commonly for fine line improvement, for skin texture improvement, for pore size, to give you that beautiful glow to your skin. And then the Permea handpiece, which is attached right here, just goes a bit shallower and has a different profile of energy, which targets pigmentation really well. We can combine the two technologies or the two handpieces in a single treatment, but usually we just do one at a time, and then we can alternate them as well if we're dealing with issues of both varieties that we want to handle. I usually recommend coming in for one treatment every few weeks, and then you can do maintenance after you've done your series of 3 to 5 treatments. So a lot of patients come in even just once a month to continue getting the Clear and Brilliant, and they of course look fantastic. I wanted to show you some pictures, some before and after photos of patients who've had the Clear and Brilliant procedure. Here is an example of a facial area that was treated, and you can see how much brighter the skin looks, and a nice reduction in pore size, fine lines, and a healthy glow. Here is another side view before the Permea handpiece, which is for pigmentation that I just showed you, and you can see a nice reduction in pigmentation, and of course the glow and brightening of the skin overall. This procedure can of course be done on men as well, and men especially like this because again it is just not a lot of recovery time at all. You don't have to worry about looking as red or swollen as with some of the other laser procedures, and it just gives a beautiful textural improvement that's just very natural. It's subtle yet dramatic, and it just makes you look younger and healthier. Here is another example of treatment for pigmentation. And as I mentioned before, we can treat patients really of all skin colors with the Clear and Brilliant. Here, for example, is a darker patient who has a significant amount of pigmentation throughout her face. This could be hereditary, this could be from overuse of the wrong products, from switching products too often, causing inflammation and irritation and pigment deposition in the skin. But whatever the causes, you can see here a nice improvement in the pigmentation by using the Permea handpiece that is a little bit more targeted for pigmentation. And here's an example of a patient who has melasma on the upper lip and the cheek areas, and you can see a really nice reduction in the melasma to that upper lip area. This can be a really challenging problem to treat. Melasma is usually related to sun exposure with the addition of hormones, so it's very common in women during pregnancy, but men can also develop forms of melasma, and we encourage you to stay out of sun exposure and not use any extra hormones in your daily life. So that is it about the Clear and Brilliant procedure. I think it is a really clear and brilliant procedure actually. It's just brilliant in that there's very minimal recovery time and it leaves your skin really clear and glowing. So let us know if you have any questions. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and we look forward to helping you.